Welcome to Power System Analysis using ETAP course. In this demonstration video, we are going to prepare the sample industrial case which we discussed in the previous lecture. So let us see the case again. This is the case we have. So what we will be doing is we will be modeling at least one of the each equipment in the case so that later you can prepare the remaining case. Okay, so we have to start with the power grid. For the power grid, we need a bus with the name POC1 and a voltage of 132 kV. So let us go ahead and model this power grid in in ETAP. So here we go. We open ETAP. So before modeling, we need to create a new project because this is a new project. We do not have the existing project. So file, new project, and now ETAP is going to ask where do you want to create this project. So browse, same thing. I'll go to the folder location. Let me create a folder with the name of my case. You can have whatever name you want. I'll just go inside it and give it a name. So let me give it my and I'll press save. Now ETAP is going to ask me different thing. Yes, I want it in English, and then authentication. Okay, I want to be the project master and editor. So here we have this case. Now this is our window where we want to create the case. So I'll just maximize it. So starting from this bus POC1. So let us go here. So we'll select create bus. I'm gonna go here and click it. So we have this bus. So when I double click it, I can open its window. So what do we want from here? We want to change the name POC1 and the nominal kV. In our case, it is going to be 132, and keep everything as it is for now and press OK, and there you go. You have this bus created. Now we want to connect a power grid with it. So again, we will go here, and if you see here, we have power grid. So I'll just click here, come back here and click here. So now we have this. So if you go on to the tip, just click and click again. There you go. So we have this power grid created. So let us give it the name. If we double click, so we want this name to be power grid 1, and then we need to change its rating. So we will go to the rating tab. So we have already 132 kV adjusted here, so nothing to do. We'll go to short circuit. Here we have to provide the short circuit data. So what data do we have? Let us see from here. If I go down, so my utility source power grid 1 should be 1250 MVA short circuit with an X by R of 35. So I will come here and I'm going to put here 1250 and X by R of 35. So if you have single line to ground fault different, then you can use the value which is provided to you. But if the value is not provided, you can use the same. And let us see here the R and X values. So it is 0.228 and 7.99. So if we see here 0.228 and 7.99. So as I said before, PSSC, this ETAP is going to take care of this. So now we have this grid created. We'll press OK.